EVERKI Atlas Wheeled 2 Review. Ever wondered why this rolling backpack outsmarts carry-ons? Travel can feel like a battle, straps digging in, laptops weighing you down, and boarding passes vanishing when you need them most. If that chaos feels familiar, drop a quick yes below. The Atlas Wheeled 2 flips frustration into freedom, giving you the choice to roll through terminals or wear it comfortably when stairs strike. Sprinting through airports, balancing heavy gear, and stressing about sore shoulders is a recipe for burnout. Imagine a bag that glides smoothly, organizes everything you own, and actually makes travel feel lighter. That's exactly what the Atlas Wheeled 2 promises. Control without compromise, order without fuss, and the kind of comfort you didn't think luggage could deliver. The Atlas Wheeled 2 rolling backpack is built to do more than carry. It transforms travel. Its convertible design lets you swap wheels for straps in seconds, making tight connections or city stairs effortless. One consultant shared how they rolled smoothly across airports, then slung it on their back to hop into a taxi. No stress, no delay. Inside, the adjustable laptop sleeve cradles anything from a slim 13-inch ultrabook to a massive 17.3-inch workstation, while RFID-blocking pockets guard passports and cards. A bright orange liner makes small accessories impossible to lose, even on red-eye flights. Tech reviewers call the wheels buttery smooth, and influencers say the quick-access top pocket feels like a cheat code for security lines. Here's a pro tip. Pull out the laptop sleeve on short trips, and you instantly double your packing space. This bag isn't just smart, it's travel-changing. Analysts praise its durability, calling it a hybrid solution that bridges backpack flexibility with rolling carry-on convenience. Experts highlight the laptop protection, saying, "It's the most secure fit we've tested for a 17-inch machine." Influencers rave about versatility. From airports to city streets, it adapts instantly. Real-world users echo the hype. One frequent flyer laughed, "My back finally forgave me after switching to this bag." A student hauling textbooks and laptops said, "The rolling feature is a lifesaver. I can glide across campus, then carry it upstairs easily." Another traveler noted, "The RFID pocket gives real peace of mind on international trips. Add water-repellent materials, replaceable wheels, and a lifetime warranty, and you've got more than a backpack. You've got a reliable partner." Which feature would make your journey easier? RFID protection, convertible straps, or extra packing space? Drop your answer below. Don't wait until your next trip to realize your old bag is holding you back. Professionals, students, and road warriors alike are upgrading to the Atlas Wheeled 2 for smooth rolling, sleek organization, and unmatched flexibility. Grab yours today and unlock a secret packing trick that maximizes space for weekend escapes. Thousands already travel lighter, smarter, and stress-free with this hybrid backpack. Why not you? Don't just scroll. Transform your workflow and your trips right now.